You just can't get weight on that leg at all, Alexis.
Yeah, well, a little bit. And the pains actually appear every time I do it. So
just get her into Tom's room so she doesn't have to walk far.
In here?
Oh, God.
Yeah, you're in a lot of trouble, aren't you?
Yes.
There's a big breakdown on the sacrum, and if you look here, there's a massive puddle of fluid there. Can you see that? It runs all the way down here. And look at that, it's just full of fluid. There it is there, see that little one? One of these points is going to hurt a little bit, Alexis.
Okay.
It's sore there to touch?
Yeah, it's not sore there.
Getting any pain over in this joint here?
Yeah, it's all over in this side. But it's this pain at the moment.
Are you getting pain in this hip?
The
Yes.
Olympics! Mommy, look, the Olympics.
It looks so much like a sacroiliac problem. Like the way Alexis walks, the way she presents on the leg, everything, even the description of the symptoms. But her body's telling me the subluxation is more in the sacral segment. That's alright.
Okay, head there facing that way.
Yeah, when you can. Just take your time.
Oh, wow, that really hurts to move that.
So Alexis, you just let me do everything now, okay?
Okay.
I'm just going to move your legs and move a few other things. Don't help me at all. That's right, Alexis. We've got to keep you as straight as we can. That's the worst one, isn't it?
It's always the left foot.
Yeah. Okay, you're going to bring your whole body over, Alexis. That's it. Just put your arm into the right line of correction. Just let your body relax there, Alex. I'm going to push this a little bit, and once it's in the right spot, I'm just going to give it a little correction. Good. Just going to help you up. That's it. Let's get your balance first, so that you can get a bit more weight on that leg.
I'm scared too.
That's alright. Take your time.
No, not yet. I still feel a lot of pain here.
Up in there. Yeah, that's okay. Have a seat again. That's good. See, she's balanced on the bottom now. I really want you to try and get some weight through that leg again. You did that by yourself.
Alright, should I try walking?
Do you feel like you can get some weight through the leg?
Yeah, that's much better.
It's much better?
Yeah, that's much better.
Do you want this for a little while? I'm going to put this ice down here, Alexis.
Oh my god.
Well, that's better already.
It feels better. I could definitely feel it loosened up. It's not pinching as much.
Good. At least you haven't got that walking stick right over that side. You know, you're not leaning both hands on it. That's good.
Yeah, that's the only way I got here tonight.
Yeah. Starting to leave this behind without realising it. So now it's time to walk without it.
Oh, look. Oh yeah, that's much better.
The relief off her face. Nice to see.
Yeah, I was in tears before. I'm like, I can't move. That's much better.
Just quickly show the camera something. Have a look. Some of that's coming out already. Yeah, that's so much better. Alright, bud.
Okay.
Very good.